Alright guys, here is the final product. Look how amazing this came out. Well, except for the nostril. Except for the snap. That's okay. Let's give it a taste test. There you go. Look how fluffy this is. Hey guys, today we are going to be making cartoon looking baos. So we're going to be making like a pig, a red dog, a panda. So I'm going to try to make those three things. But first you need to start out with the dough. And I already made a video on the dough. So just click right up here for the link to my other video and check that out first if you don't have a recipe. But I already do. So let's start off with the dough. This is about double my recipe. So if you're going to use my recipe, you can either double it or just use it like it. I'm going to use liquid food coloring. One drop. Just going to fill this. Once it's pink enough, just put it aside, and then we're gonna mix our other colors. All right, let's put some blue.
Wanna try this?
Okay, I have my blue done. I like the marbling effect, but if you don't, just knead it a little bit longer. And that's all the colors I'm gonna do. Put the dough back. Let's do 50-gram balls. What I'm just gonna do is just pull it across. Okay, I'll get back to you when I get about a dozen 50-gram balls done. I actually decided to do 8. So here are my 8. I'm just gonna put it. I'm just gonna put like a wet towel on top, and then we are gonna let this rest for around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, and I'm using the rest of this to make something else, or if I feel like it, I'll make more balls. All right. All right, guys. Here's some of the baos that the other things that I made. So I got some like flower designs, and I also made some other balls as well. I put some cotton balls in there to help keep the moisture up so your baos won't dry out. Yeah. So once your 40 minutes is done, we are gonna steam them. When your montao is resting, make some like parchment paper squares so when you steam it, it won't stick to anything. Mine's about like 5 by 3 inches. Okay guys, 40 minutes is done. Got my round ball. Then I got my red. What we're gonna do is just flatten this down. Doesn't have to be super flat, just flat enough. Okay, so it's not too thin. I'm just gonna wipe the top of this with a little bit of water to keep it hydrated. Do it for all of them. And you want to run your steamer on right now. Okay, what we're gonna do is we are just gonna make tiny right triangles. So I'm gonna just do that. Just tiny right triangles. Alright. So that. Oh, I'm trying to okay. So this, we are gonna put on our bow like this. Just like that. Very simple. Just curve the right time a little bit. Just like fold it like so, just a little bit. Okay, it's very simple. Just do it like this. Then now we're gonna make the mouth. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna. I'm gonna get a knife. Okay, got a knife. We're just gonna. Just cut almost like a rectangle. And you'll see why in a second. So you see this? We're just gonna fold in thing. I don't know how to explain this, just follow what I'm doing. Just wanna fold it in like that. Back. So. Okay, and there. You got the mouth. The snout, I meant. Got the snout, and then we're gonna draw. We are gonna poke a hole. Okay. Just poke a hole. Okay. All right. Then add some water right here. And then we are gonna use sesame seeds for the eye. If you have black sesame seeds, then you can use the black sesame seeds, but I have only white, so I'm just gonna go with that. Yeah, I wish I had black ones. Okay, and then we're gonna put this on a parchment paper. So there it is. We got a pig. And just repeat it with your other ones, and the blue one I'm just gonna be making like I'll make a blue pig and a blue dog. Alright, come back once I'm done. Alright guys, here is how they turn out. I'm pretty satisfied with them. Just steam them for 12 minutes and just open the lid slowly at the end, and then I'll be back at the taste test. Here they are. Alright guys, here is the final product. Look how amazing this came out. Well, except for the nostril. Except for the snout. That's okay. Let's give it a taste test. Oh yeah, look how fluffy this is. Sorry, piggy. Mmm. It's so chewy. Fluffy. And it's delicious. Look at the layer on it. See this? This is a big layer. Well, that is it, guys. Oh. Here's my other one that I made. It's a blue person. Alright, I'll see you guys later.